Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's a hot, humid day here in western North Carolina. Try not to be out in that hot sun too much, but we're going to do a little bit. All right, let's get it. Couple things. I need to get that wood off the porch. I ain't never left wood on my porch this long, but just ain't got to it. And I need to clean out this fountain. Yeah, it's pretty green. It hadn't been cleaned out. I don't know when's the last time I cleaned it out. So that's what I'm going to try to get. Man, that's bad. First thing, get all this water drip out. I don't like to pour it on the bushes and stuff because it's so nasty. Take it out here and throw it. Before it sun's bright. I was going to show you when I said it's bad, it's really bad. Really bad. So I'll get all that cleaned out, washed down. We've had this old fountain about, I don't know, probably 10 or 12 years. I'm surprised it even still hold water. We used to have a little old pond here, but it was just too much to try to keep clean. So we put this thing. It's pretty nice sitting out here and swing and listening to the water. There's the little old pump. It's old too. Go ahead and put this pump in this bucket of water. Don't want to leave the pump out too long. All right, y'all. I put on my old weed eating shirt. It's gonna get pretty, stuff gonna blow pretty bad, I'm afraid. Nope, that ain't gonna clean it worth a hoop. Just gonna have to be what it is, I guess. Yeah, I need something else. There's too many crevices in this. All right, that's about as clean as I'm gonna get it. Still ain't real clean, but it's decently clean, I guess. All right, I'll get some water and put in it and get it started back up. Keep a rain barrel for the water plants and just water when we need it. It's supposed to rain today, so I'll go ahead and get it out of hit and it'll replenish this evening. I just keep a dunk in it all the time. That keeps the mosquito larvae killed out. So that's what I'm gonna fill it up with, that water right there. All right, I got it back running. It's a whole lot cleaner now than it was. Thought about putting some Clorox in it, but birds drink out of it, so I don't know if I want to do that or not. But anyway, it's clean again for a while. Probably not long. All right, y'all. That's gonna be it for me. I'm gonna sit here in the cool and listen to the water run a little bit. I appreciate y'all watching my videos, and I'll see you.